Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Muzz account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in into your Muzz account. Now on your screen you can see options like Marries, Explore, Chat and Menu. Under Menu, you have to scroll down and find Settings. Now on the Settings, you have to scroll down a lot, and at the end you can see Deactivate or Delete Account. All you have to do is select it, then give your feedback, select one of the reasons and tap on Continue. Then you have to give a reason why you want to leave or what you liked or didn't like about Muzz. Then it has to be like more than 100 words. Then tap on Continue. Now you can select delete account, then tap on continue. Well, there's a prompt what happens when you delete your Muzz account. All you have to do is select the delete account option at the end of the screen, and guys, that's it. That's how you delete your Muzz account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.